everyone, and this is Morning Meeting with Miss Kara. Alrighty, let's go ahead and do our weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Tell us, Miss Kara, what's the weather? What's the weather like today? Alright, so if we go to weather.com and we search the weather for Roanoke, Virginia, Roanoke being our city, Virginia our state, Roanoke, Virginia. It says it is 63 degrees outside and cloudy. 63 and cloudy. So let's put our spinner on cloudy. And then we're going to move the word cloudy into the blank. So today's weather, cloudy. Today is cloudy. It is cloudy outside today. If you look outside, you should see a bunch of clouds and not any sunshine, or not much sunshine. Alright, so now we need to graph our weather. So the title of our graph is Weather Graph. On this axis, we have the number of days, and on this axis, we have the type of weather. So we need to graph our weather for today. We said today was cloudy, so let's move a cloud over the word cloudy on our graph. Since we're using pictures, this is a pictograph. So if we look at our weather graph, we have had one cloudy day so far. One cloudy day. Had 0 sunny days, 0 snowy days, 0 rainy days, and 0 partly cloudy days. So we'll see how our weather changes over the next few weeks as we graph it each day during morning meeting. So let's go ahead and move on to our months of the year song. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. The first month of the year is January. We start the year in January. The last month of the year is December. We end the year in December. We are in the 6th month of the year. So let's start at January and count to 6 to see what month we're in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. June. We're in the month of June. And today is June 15th. We write the 15th as a 1 and a 5. June 15th. So today is June 15th. 2020. So let's count the number of days we've had so far in June. We're going to start at 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 days so far in June. Today is June 15th, 2020. Alrighty, go ahead and find your clapping hands for our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. So yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. And tomorrow will be Tuesday. So yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. And we said today is June 15th. We write the 15th as a 1 and then a 5, 15. So today is Monday, June 15th, 2020. It is also the first day of summer school. We are excited that we are back in school. We wish that we were in person, but we know that this is what we are doing right now since this is what is best. But again, today is the first day of summer school. So let's go ahead and do our news to you weather and calendar. All right, so today is Monday.
Monday.
The month is, we said we were in the 6th month, which is June.
June.
The date is, we said today was the 15th, which is written as a 1 and then a 5.
15th.
The weather is, we said it was cloudy outside.
Cloudy.
The temperature is, so we are in the low 60s. So I would say you're probably anywhere between cool and warm. Miss Kara is going to say it's a little cool outside.
Cool.
Let's dress this person today.
Bottoms.
All right, so since it is cool outside, we could wear really any of these. It depends on if you would get cold easily. Miss Kara does get cold easily, so she would probably wear jeans, sweatpants, or pants. But depending, you could get by with shorts or a skirt. So let's put on jeans today.
Jeans. Tops.
Again, with it being cool outside, we probably want to wear either a t-shirt, a long sleeve shirt, a collared shirt, or a flannel shirt. It's not warm enough for a tank top, and we really don't need a winter sweater. It's not that cold outside. So let's put on a t-shirt.
T-shirt.
Since we are in the low 60s.
Shoes.
We don't need rain boots. It's not raining. We don't need snow boots. It's not snowing. We could probably wear any of these shoes, again, depending. I think I'm going to wear some tennis shoes, though. Those
tennis shoes.
Are always a good school shoe to wear.
Hats.
We don't need a winter hat. It's not cold. We don't need a rain hat. It's not raining. If you wanted to wear any of these other hats, you could. They're good on sunny days to protect our face from the sun. But again, if you wanted to wear one today, even though it's cloudy, you could. I think I'm going to say no hat.
No hat. Accessories.
We don't need gloves, mittens, or a scarf. It's not cold outside for those. We could wear sunglasses if we wanted to. They're good on sunny days to protect our eyes from the sun. But again, if you wanted to wear them, you could. I think I'm going to say no accessories for today.
No accessory. Outerwear.
We don't need a raincoat. It's not raining. We don't need a winter coat. It's not that cold outside. Since we do have short sleeves on, and like I said, Miss Kara does get cold easily, Miss Kara would probably wear a sweatshirt, and then that way, if she got cold, she could have the sweatshirt on, but if she got warm, she could always take it off. So I'm going to say a sweatshirt.
Sweatshirt.
All right, so let's review.
Today's weather. Monday, June 15th, 2020. Cloudy and cool.
And we have dressed our person for the weather. All right, thanks for watching. I did see on the weather website that there is a chance of rain later, so if it does rain, you may want to have an umbrella and a raincoat and a rain hat so that you don't get wet if you go outside. But again, today is the first day of summer school. We're happy to be back, and if you have any questions, please reach out to Miss Hitchens or myself. We will gladly help in any way that we can.